Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qala al-mu'allifu rahimahullahu ta'ala wa nafa'ana bihi wa bi'ulumihi fid dharaini amin. Rabbi yassir wa a'in. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Faslun, new chapter or new sections. So guys, in this opportunity we are going to be continuing about the part or continuing about the chapter before. In the chapter before we were going to be learning exactly about classification of najis, starting from mughalladhah and then secondly mukhaffafah and then mutawassithah. And in this part we are going to be continuing all of those parts, exactly still about kind of najis and the way how to be cleaning this najis. So let's get started. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Faslun, new chapter or new sections. Al-mughalladzatu tabhuru bisab'i ghusalatin ila akhirih. Al-mughalladzatu, as for strong dirty. Al-mughalladzatu can means strong dirty or najis mughalladzah, right? Al-mughalladzatu, as for strong dirty, tadhuru exactly can be in pure conditions. So exactly al-mughalladzah or strong dirty can be in pure conditions because what? Bisab'i ghusalatin, because of 7 washings, right? Exactly mughalladhah can be in pure conditions after you are washing this dirty by using or by 7 washing or 7 times by using water, right? Ba'da izalati ainiha, but you are washing this dirty or 7 times with water ba'da izalati ainiha, after cleaning the property of the najis, right? That means kind of dirty, which is more specifically in this case is mughalladhah dirty or najis mughalladhah can be in pure conditions after you are exactly washing this najis 7 times by using water, right? Ihdahunna, and then ihdahunna, and one of 7 washings, biturabin, it must using the dust, right? What does that mean? That means in this case when you are going to be cleaning mughalladhah najis or dirty or strong dirty, exactly you have to be combining between water and the dust, right? And then wal mukhaffafatu, and the next wal mukhaffafatu, an easy dirty or najis mukhaffafah, tadhuru birashil ma'i alaiha ila akhirih. Wal mukhaffafatu, an easy dirty, tadhuru is also can be in pure conditions too. Al mukhaffafa or easy dirty also can be in pure conditions too. To be in pure conditions because what? Birashil ma'i, because of splashing water. Because of splashing water in that najis on in this dirty or mukhaffafa, it means mukhaffafa will be in pure conditions, right? Alaiha, on that dirty. Ma'al ghalabati, this is actually the continuing of requirements from cleaning mukhaffafa, right? Ma'al ghalabati, with superiority, wa izalati ainiha, and cleaning its property or cleaning first about its shapes, right? What does that mean? That means mukhaffafa can be in pure conditions too, right? Actually mukhaffafa or easy dirty can be in pure conditions too. To be in pure conditions because of just by splashing water in that dirty, but with one requirements. What is the requirements? The requirements is ma'al ghalabati wa izalati ainiha. You must be using much water, and then you have to be, firstly, you have to be cleaning the property or the shape of the dirty or mukhaffafa. This is automatically will be making mukhaffafa to be in pure conditions too, right? And then what is the next? Wal mutawassithatu, and now mutawassithah or kind of najis, right? Kind of from najis, al mutawassithah. Wal mutawassithatu, what the meaning of al mutawassithah? While mutawassitotu and medium dirty, mutawassitoh can means the medium dirty, right? Tangkosimu exactly, mutawassitoh is divided in two parts, right? Al mutawassitotu, as for medium dirty, tangkosimu is divided by two parts, or is divided in two parts. What are they? Ala kismaini in two parts. So what are they? Ainiyatin wa hukmiyatin. So the first is ainiyatin. First is mutawassitoh ainiyah, called by mutawassitoh ainiyah. This is actually kind of name from mutawassitoh, or classifications from mutawassitoh. First classifications from mutawassitoh is mutawassitoh al ainiyah, and wa hukmiyatin, and secondly mutawassitoh hukmiyah. So ainiyah wa hukmiyah, both of them are including from mutawassitoh najis, or medium najis, right, or medium dirty. Al-ainiyatu, what the meaning of al-ainiyah, or how you can be cleaning this najis, or short definitions exactly, right? Combining between how you can be cleaning this najis, and also combining between short definition from this najis. Al-ainiyatu, as for ainiyah, or as for medium najis, or as for mutawassitoh ainiyah, alati, she is dirty, or she is kind of dirty, laha, that still having, laha launun, that still having color, right? Al-ainiyatu is kind of dirty from mutawassitoh, which is still having color, and then warihun, and also still having the smell, and watokmun, and also still having the taste. So the short definitions from mutawassitoh ainiyah is kind of najis from mutawassitoh, or from medium dirty, which still having kind of color. The first is kind of color, and then secondly rih, or kind of smell, and then the last watokmun, and having to about kind of the taste. So exactly when you are finding one of najis which is including starting from launun, rihun, and tokmun, or color, smell, and the taste, automatically this najis is called by mutawassitoh al-ainiyah. And then what is the solutions from mutawassitoh ainiyah? Falabuddha is obligated, or falabuddha can means must do, something you must do to this najis, min izalati launiha. The first is falabuddha must do, or is obligated. What is must be obligated? Min izalati launiha, is making disappear. The first thing you must do, right? In this case is min izalati launiha, is making disappear of its color, right? The first step. And then warihiha, and second step warihiha, and also making disappear about its smell. Watokmiha, and the last step watokmiha, and also making disappear about its taste. So what does that mean? That means when you are what is it? When you are, or when you wanna clean this najis, or when you wanna clean about mutawassitoh al-ainiyah, so first step that you must do is, first you have to be cleaning, or you have to be making disappear its color, and then making to be disappear its smell, and then the last making to be making disappear its taste. So that why if you are doing about all of them, automatically this thing to be in pure conditions too. And then wal hukmiyatu, as for hukmiyah, or as for najis hukmiyah, alati, she is kind of najis, or she is kind of dirty, la launa, which is no color. Al hukmiyah, al mutawassitoh al hukmiyah can means kind of najis or kind of dirty, la launa, which is no color, wala riha, and which is no smell, and wala to'ma, and which is no taste. So the short definitions from mutawasito al-hukmiyah is kind of najis which has no color or which has no smell and has no the taste. This is actually automatically to be short definitions from mutawasito al-hukmiyah. So what is the solutions from mutawasito al-hukmiyah? Yakfika, and enough to you. Yakfika, this is actually the solutions for cleaning mutawasito al-hukmiyah, right? Yakfika, and enough to you. Jaryul, what is enough to you? Jaryul ma'i, flew through the water. You just need to do, or you just need to flow through the water. Alaiha, on the dirty. This is automatically will make this najis or this dirty to be in pure conditions. Faslun aqalul haidi yaumun wa mu'alam bisawaf.